Alright everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to go over something my daughter wanted to learn how to make a grilled cheese sandwich, so I thought we'd make a video of it. So we're going to get into that. Alright, so what you're gonna need is you're gonna need some type of butter. We're using Land O'Lakes today. This is good because it's spreadable and it's made with canola oil. So that's more for the flavor. I used Country Crock vegetable oil before, and I ain't like the oily taste it had of it. But you can use margarine too and all that type of stuff. You can use any type of cheese, but make sure it's a sliced version or make sure it's in a slice. I'm gonna use this Kraft single today, and we're sharing time with my son singing ABCs over there, so don't worry about that. We got sliced bread. So what you want to do is wash your hands first. That's what you want to do. Wash your hands. I got the butter. You're gonna spread it evenly on each side. All right. You can put 1 or 2 slices of cheese, whichever one you prefer. We're gonna do 1 for this instance. And what you wanna have going is a frying pan that's already on. All right, so we got our frying pan already on. No vegetable oil or anything in it. For the one I'm making. So just lay it in there. And the butter should just cook it evenly. Now, you don't want to burn the bread or anything like that, so you just want to leave it until it gets golden brown on each side. Obviously, I can't see it, but I know it's doing its thing under there, and it's not going to take that long. You also want the cheese to melt on the inside. All right, so you can sneak a peek to see if it's ready. See that golden brown stuff? That's ready. So you want to flip it over. Now this bread is kind of thick, so if you want to smash it down, you can, but key is just make sure the cheese is cooked in the middle, so it's nice and melted. You want it smashed?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So we'll smash it. All right, so sneak a peek at the other end. That's pretty brown. It's missed a little spot because it's probably not even right there, but leave it there for. All right, now you're gonna go ahead and cut it. The host wants triangle cut, so just hold it there, cut it in a nice triangle. Voila, you got that melted cheese. And grilled cheese sandwich complete. Thank y'all for watching. Did you do it?
Yes! Did you not hear the beat?